Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to sharpen your image using Topaz Sharpen AI. Press Command J to duplicate the background layer. Subject was moving too fast, so you can see how much motion blur it generates. So to remove this motion blur and sharpen my image, first I'll convert this layer into a smart object and then open it in Topaz Lab Sharpen AI. Just for your clarification, this is not a paid promotion or sponsored by Topaz. I bought this software last month and I'm using it and I got some amazing result. That is why I decided to share my workflow that I follow while using this software with you guys. On the top ribbon bar, click on the Compare view. It will open 4 different windows where you can select 4 different options from the right hand side panel and compare it for the best result. As you can see, for the first window, I selected the standard option where the software will automatically select the best option for me. For the second window, I choose out of focus and very noisy option. For the third one, I am using too soft and blurry, and the fourth one is the motion blur, very blurry. You can also mask your subject and add some grain from this software, but I will avoid these steps here because I like to do it from the Photoshop itself. Once you are happy with your final result, just click on the Apply. It will take some time to processing the image, and once done, the image will be open in the Photoshop. To remove the effect from the background, you need to now mask out your subject. You can use any selection tool as per your preference. Here I am using the default subject selection filter in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section.